Well, Hawaii leaders and residents are speaking out against Robert F. Kennedy Jr. He's President Trump's pick for health secretary. And as our Eric Nacton reports, some feel lives will still be in danger if he's put into power.
As Robert F. Kennedy Jr. continues to work towards solidifying the post of Secretary of the Department of Health and Human Services, concerns persist. Largely known for his anti-vaccine advocacy, RFK Jr. is reportedly no longer serving as chairman of the Chief Legal Counsel for Children's Health Defense, his nonprofit that launched lawsuits against the federal government over vaccines, including the authorization of the COVID-19 shot for children. Hawaii Governor Josh Green shared his thoughts with Island News this week.
When I take up a fight, it's because I have experience. And let's use an example, RFK. I went to Washington at many people's invitation. I'll probably have to go back again if they need me to testify on his nomination. But in that case, he's not a good choice for America. He's, going to torpedo vaccination programs like he did in Samoa. I think the president has won the election. He has to make his decisions, and I hope he will govern in a caring and compassionate way. I will protect our people the ways I can.
Governor Green isn't the only one with concerns.
You might think that the person nominated to lead our nation's top health department, you might think that that person would at least be interested in, if not experienced in, curing diseases and promoting public health, that they'd be someone who follows science and works to build the public's trust in it. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is none of those things. He has literally made a career out of lying about the safety of basic vaccines, and it is not an exaggeration to say lives will be lost if he is confirmed.
Hawaii residents expressed their thoughts as well Wednesday.
If it's like COVID-19, if it can infect other people really easily, I think it should be mandatory.
Maybe in certain instances it could be mandatory, especially say it's a pandemic, something crazy pop off, it being something that may be mandated for the healthcare workers since they're the ones who's going to have to deal with people. I feel like the most fair thing is for people to be able to look at the information themselves before they decide what they put in their bodies.
RFK Jr. is distancing himself from his anti-vaccine work as he seeks to become the leader of the nation's top health agency. He could still benefit in other ways from his anti-vaccine advocacy. He expects at least $2 million in advances for 2 forthcoming books, though he said he would not promote or do further work on those titles if confirmed. Eric Nacton, Island News.